The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we want to add an element to a list, but not just a list, every list inside of a dictionary. As always, you can download this file so you can follow along or try your own and then check your answer. All right, so let's get started. So I've already got a way set up so we can check the average test score at the end. What I want to do is have a way to add the new test score. This is actually pretty easy. So how are we going to do that? Well, we've got a little hint. We have a for person in grades dot keys. This lets us know we're going to get every key. Then we can get the grades for that individual person. So we're going to say new grade equals int input what is the test score for person. Notice that we had to concatenate this string. Input only takes one input string. We're also using the int function to convert that string that we get from the input into new grade. Then we're going to specify grades person. This is going to give us that list dot append, and then we're going to say new grade. Now, if we want to check real quickly to see, hey, did this actual grade get added to it? We could always do a print grades for person and do that both before and then after the append method. So let's go run this real quick. What's the new test score for James? We're going to say it's an 85. And you see that we have the old one before it, and then we have one for 85 with it added. Mary, 97, and then we'll continue on. Once it does that, it automatically runs through. You see the grades, and if you look at these grades, you can tell that they are divisible by 4 because the average comes up in quarters, either a whole number, a half, or in this case, 0.75. So this means that it's averaging by 4. So this is a real quick, easy check that you can see that this actually occurred. Now, I would probably go ahead and remove the printing of those lists before and afterwards. It's not real conducive to being easy to use, and people might wonder what that is. But this is a great way to visually verify while you're coding. And then you take it out when you go hand it to the end user. Hopefully you like that example. If you do, please consider subscribing to help you get better at programming.